Lee County searches, I have some saved, but let me demonstrate here as far as how the homestead doesn't come up. I clicked my single family all, less than $1,000, and for homestead here it says include. So I say search, and the properties come up, all the including the homestead. You can't see which ones. Usually there's a HX over in this area on other sites. But watch when I put homestead only, which is what I want, homestead only, and I hit search, it says there's no results for the search criteria. So it doesn't allow you for some reason, whether it's intentional, most likely, or it's just another glitch in the system, or that's the way it's set up. But you cannot only search for homestead properties here in Lee County.